The best budget gaming PC for under $1,000. Let's dive in. First, the heart of our build, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X. This powerful CPU handles gaming and multitasking like a champ, and it's just $200. Next, the graphics card. The NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super P offers amazing performance for just $250. For memory, go with 16 GB of Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM at $70. It's perfect. Storage is crucial. A 500 GB NVMe SSD from Western Digital costs $60 and ensures super fast load times for your games. Finally, a solid power supply. The EVGA 600W PSU cost around $74, keeping your build powered and cool. All this for under $1,000. Ready to build your dream gaming PC on a budget.